Hey guys, welcome back again. So today we are going to make a motion sensing light. So first of all, we have to open the Tinkercad. So we have to write Tinkercad in our browser and click on the first website. Click on the create button and then circuits. So now the website is open and uh, now you have the dashboard on which you can create the circuit, and the right side you can see the component. You can easily drag and drop the component which you are required to complete your uh, circuit or project. So first I will drag and drop the Arduino and the breadboard, and then I'll search the PIR sensor, and then relay, then a bulb, a power supply, transistor. Now manage all the component as per requirement. So we have to make a circuit here as our project. So so let's see how I can make this circuit. Our circuit is completed. Now we have to write the code. So we can select here all categories of code. So we will select the text part and write code in this section. After completing the code, we have to click on the start simulation, and we can see here the simulation. So this is our motion sensor working in this project. When an motion comes near to the sensor, the bulb will turn on.